Hello everyone. If you want to add comments and annotation in Adobe Acrobat, here is how you can do in simple steps. First, open the Adobe Acrobat application on your computer and you can either create a new PDF or open an existing one. In order to open a recent file, you can just scroll down to the recent section. Here you can see the list of previously opened PDFs. Select the file that you want to work on. Once you are inside the PDF, look at the right hand side of the screen where you will notice a small vertical taskbar panel with different icons. Move your cursors towards the second icon in that panel. When you hover on it, you will see the option called Edit, Delete or Reply to Comments. Click on it. This opens the comment panel. Before adding your comment, make sure to select the exact page where you want to place it. Click on Add a Comment. Now type your comment or annotation in the text field. After entering your comment, click on the Post button within the field. And once you click the Post, your comment will be successfully added and you will see the comment listed in the comment window. And you will also notice a small comment icon appear on the top right area of the selected page. When you move your cursor on that icon, it will display the comment added for that page. But specifically, if you want the comment within the text, you can just tap on the comment icon given within the taskbar at the left corner. Once you tap on it, it will show different options. From there, tap Add a Comment. And please make sure to move the cursor towards the paragraph where you want to add the comment. Once you tap on that paragraph, the comment field will appear and make sure to add the comment that you like. After entering your comment, tap on Post. And that's it. You have successfully added the comment within the paragraph. So in order to view the comment, you can just simply move the cursors towards the comment where it will display the comment. And that's it. That's how you can add comments and annotations in Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.